All viewer and dear students, today we have a new radical equation for you. This question is very important for your future life. 2x minus 1 under the root plus 2s equal to x plus 2s equal to x. Here we are using two methods how we calculate the value of x. We are using two methods. The first method, if we change this constant to the right side, so we will change here the sign of this one. 2x minus 1 under the root is equal to, you can also put, this is the first method. First method we are using 2x minus 1 under the root is equal to x. Here is sign is changed. If we transfer there, so their sign is also changed, plus is changed into negative. Now we are taking square on both sides. Taking square on both sides. Why we are taking square? Because square root, we try to finish square root. So 2x minus 1 whole square is equal to x minus 2 whole square. Now according to this one, this is, we can also change 2x minus 1 and square root is equal to 1 by 2 whole square is equal to, according to the formula, this is here we are using the formula is a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square, we are using a minus b whole square. According to this formula, we are open this one, a square plus b square minus 2ab. According to this formula, we can write x square plus 2 square minus 2 into ab. Now this square, according to the double exponent rule, here is we are using double exponent rule is that one, a exponent of m whole exponent of n is equal to mn. According to these rules, we are multiply this one, the exponent. So 2x minus 1, 2 divided by 2 is equal to x square plus 4 minus 4x. Now this 2 to are cancelled, we get here 2x minus 1 x square plus 4 minus 4x. Now we arrange the term, this term is completely changed here to the right side, so their sign is also changed. So you can also change this right side change into the left side, so their sign is also changed. This the method is same, the answer will be same. So x square plus 4 minus 4x, we are changing this, here is positive, so this is will be negative, and minus 1 is negative, this will be positive, is equal to 0. Now look here, like terms, we are arrange these terms, x square minus 6x minus 4 minus 2 minus 6x plus 4 and plus 1, we get plus 5 is equal to 0. Now there are three methods we are using: factorization method, completing square method, and quadratic formula. We are using quadratic method. Factorization method is very simple here. The first term and the last term we are multiply to each other. First term multiply by the last term, we get 5. Now we are needed the middle term, that is called middle term. So middle term we are needed minus 6. So that the same integers, if we are add minus 5 and minus 6, we get the same integer we are multiplied to get the original one. So we will get here positive. So look here, it means that the factorization of the middle term is minus 1 minus 5. We can write here x square minus 1x minus 5x plus 5 is equal to 0. Now the first and second and the third and fourth, we are making pairs. Now we are taking common here, x is common, x minus 1 minus 5 is common, x minus 1 is equal to 0. Here we take x is common from this one, from the first second. So x is remaining, minus 1 is remaining, and minus 1 is common from this one. So x minus 1 is, this pairs must be same, otherwise your question will be wrong. So x minus 1 we are taking from these two pairs. One pairs x minus 5 is equal to 0. So it means that x minus 1 is equal to 0 or x minus 5 is equal to 0. X is equal to 1 or x is equal to 5. Now we change, this is transfer, this is also transfer, we get positive 1 and here is positive. Hence we get here x is equal to 1, x is equal to 5, the same answer. Now we want in the radical equation, we must verify our answer. We want to check our answer is correct or not. X is equal to 1. When x is equal to 1, then the original question 2x minus 1 plus 2 is equal to x. So look here, now in the place of, we plug the value of 1 here, plus 2 is equal to 1. Now we get here 2 minus 1 square root plus 2 is equal to 1. Here we get here 1. Now if we check here, this is 2s equal to 2s 2 my 1 plus 2 is equal to 1. So the result is not same. So it means that x1 is the extraneous roots. Now we want to check another result when x is equal to 5. So 2x minus 1 plus 2 is equal to x. Now we replace the result of x is equal to 5 plus 2 is equal to 5. Now we check this result, 10 minus 1 plus 2 is equal to 5, and here is 9 plus 2 is equal to 5. 9 square root is equal to 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 5 is equal to 5. So it means that our solution is x is equal to 5. But x1 if we put here, so the solution does not exist here. They are not same, so they are extraneous roots. In substitution method, second method. Let here the question 2x minus 1 under the root. If we take this supposition here, let 2x minus 1 is equal to t. So what is the result? Taking square on both sides. Taking square on both sides. 2x minus 1 square on both sides, t square. So this is cancelled. 2x minus 1 is equal to t square. We change this value here. 2x is equal to t square plus 1. Dividing both sides by 2, t square plus 1 divided by 2. We have get the value of x, and also we take the supposition here. Now reduces in the form of t here. 2x minus 1 under root, we put here t plus 2 is equal to x. X is equal to t square plus 1 divided by 2. Now we are multiplying both sides by 2. 2t plus 2 is equal to t square plus 1 divided by 2, and 2 multiplying both sides by 2. 2 are cancelled. Here 2t plus 4 is equal to t square plus 1. Now we change this term to the right side, so their sign is also changed. T square plus 1 minus 2t minus 4 is equal to 0. Here we arrange this term. T square minus 2t and minus 3 is equal to 0. Using here the factorization method, here minus 2 is required middle term. We can write first method use here the first and the last term we are multiply here. Last term is 1 multiplied by minus 3. We can write minus 3. Middle term is minus 2. 1 minus 3 we can write minus 2. So we use the same integer. If we multiply, we get here minus 3. Both are same. In the place of minus 2, we put here 1 and minus 3. So we can write t square minus 1t minus 2t minus 3. In the place of minus 2, we get here minus 3. So we are making first and second. T is common, t minus 1 and minus 3 is common, t minus 1 is equal to 0 So t minus 1 into t minus 3 is equal to 0. So t minus 1 is equal to 0 or t minus 3 is equal to 0. T is equal to 1 or t is equal to 3. We get two results. Now we replace this result in the supposition term. We have already supposition this one, 2x minus 1 square root is equal to t. We replace when t is equal to 1, 2x minus 1 square root is equal to 1, taking square on both sides. So we get here 1 square. This is cancelled to each other. 2x minus 1 is equal to 1. We change this result. 2x is equal to 1 plus 1. 2x is equal to 2. 2 dividing both sides by 2. Both are cancelled. X is equal to 1. We have get this result. Similarly, when we put x is equal to 3, 2x minus 1, t is equal to 3. So taking square on both sides, 2x minus 1, taking square on both sides of this question. So this is cancelled. 2x minus 1 is equal to 9. We change this result. 2x is equal to 9 plus 1. We get 10 dividing both sides by 2. So we get here x is equal to 5. Both are cancelled. So this is the solution. Now we want to verify the result again. We have checked already verification in the verification. First, when x is equal to 1, so we get in the place of 1, we get here plus 2 is equal to, in the place of x we put here 1. Look here, the result is not same. So plus 2 is equal to 1. We get here 1 plus 2 is equal to 1. So here is 3 is not is equal to 1. So it is an extraneous root. आप लिख सकते हैं it is an extraneous root. So our solution is x is equal to 5 because we have already done in the previous first method. So thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel and share this video more and more. Thanks again for watching.